Heart so heavy, eyes so tired, hands still shaking from what I desired. I ran from your mercy, chasing shadows, chasing pride. Every blessing that you gave me, I used it just to hide. Now my knees are on this carpet, wet from all I've tried to say. Every wrong that I remember brings me back to you today. Ya Allah, astaghfirullah. Ya Allah, astaghfirullah. I fall and I return to you. I fall and I return to you. Ya Allah, astaghfirullah. Pages filled with quiet secrets only you can really see. Lonely nights and empty moments where I drifted far from peace. But your door is always open even when I turn away. So I'm knocking with my sorrow, let it wash my sins away. If my tears could speak, they'd call your name. Every drop a plea, erase my shame. Don't leave me to my own heart, my Lord. Raise me when I fall again. Ya Allah, astaghfirullah. Ya Allah, astaghfirullah.